Okay guys, so bago ko i-retire itong aking on-cloud final thoughts. I had my on-cloud for almost a year. So I bought this on May last year. And then the last time that I used this was February this year. What triggered the change? 500 kilometers. And medyo nafe-feel ko na sumasakit yung pa ako whenever I run. So I checked yung mga reviews. I checked kung ano ba dapat yung tamang mileage. It can be from 500 to 800 kilometers. I was intending to run at 800 kilometers on this thing. Pero yun nga, sumasakit yung paa ko more than usual. So I don't blame the shoe. I blame myself kasi dapat nagpag-gait analysis ako. So game. So after 500 kilometers, it's a good shoe. It's a really, really nice shoe. Ganda ng itsura, ang gandang pang-forma, lambot ng tela, magaan naman siya. Pero yun nga, sumasakit yung paa ko dito for some reason. Actually, hindi naman agad-agad, pero recently, madalas sumasakit na yung paa ko. Again, I don't blame the shoe. I blame myself. I should have had my foot tested bago ako kumuha nito. Kasi when I got this, ang nasa isip ko lang talaga, ang ganda nito, ang angas pamorma. And then that's it. Pero yun pala, this shoe is for neutral-footed people, I guess. Kasi ako may overpronation pala ako when I last checked. Okay siya, other than that, sa forma, wala akong ibang maisip na positive about it kasi nga nagkamali ako na pagpili ng sapatos. When I first used this, merong break-in na naganap. Parang kaya to run ng mga 2 weeks bago ako naging comfortable sa kanya. When I first used it, parang feeling ko, sabi ko, shucks, may mali yata ako. Hindi yata dapat ito yung pinili kong sapatos. After 2 weeks pa, medyo naging okay naman yung feeling, naging comfortable naman siya. Yung ibabaw niya, medyo tight for me. Although, maganda yung tela niya. Yung ibabaw niya, ang tight eh. Hindi ganito yung shoelace ko before, yung parang kiniklip lang. Pero, nagre-resist yung paa ko dito, nananakit, nararamdaman ko siya dun sa mga buto-buto ko sa upper part nung paa ko. Sumasakit siya, so I'm not really sure why. Yan, yun lang. Ako, like what I always say, there is no good shoe brand per se. There is a good shoe depending on what type of feet you have. So before taking a shoe, magpag-gait analysis muna kayo. I think that's the best way to go. Do not rely on the brand. I mean, you can go for the brand, pero hanapin nyo yung variant ng brand na yon that fits to your gait analysis. Kasi for me, when I got this, I didn't eh. Well, ngayon, na ginagamit ko na lang siyang pamorma, masarap siyang panlakad. As in, ang sarap niyang panlakad. Compared to sneakers and everything, ang sarap niyang panlakad. So, if you're planning to parang walk lang, panglakad lang na sapatos, pang Hong Kong, pang Disneyland, or what have you, it's a good shoe. Pero for running, I would really advise to have a gait analysis.